Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about local extrema and saddle points. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We have a function in here, and in this function we have two variables x and y. So we need to do first derivative of x and then first derivative of y. For the x, we have 3x power 2 minus 6y. And then for y, we will have about 6y minus 6x. The next one, we do first derivative based on the function fs in here. So we have So we have 6x, and then for the y, in here we have number 6. Then we do about the first derivative for y from the function fs in here. So we have only minus 6. Now we need to find the point. We put this one. We put this one equal to number 0, and similar fy equals to 0. So we have the system of equation. Now we have x equal to y. So in here, so we have 3x squared minus 6x equals to 0, and we can find two solutions. It's about x equals to 0 and x equals to number 2, so that we have y equals to 0 and y equals to number 2, and we have 2 points in here. The next one, we have d equals to this one multiplied with this one minus to this one power 2. So we have 6x multiplied with number 6 minus 2 minus 6 power 2. So we got about 36 x, and we have the minus 36. Now we consider point 0 and 0. So we put in a d in here. So we put 0 in here, so you got about minus 36 below than 0. So we call this point is about the saddle point. The next one, the point 2, 2. So we have D is about 36 multiplied with number 2 minus 36. We got about 36 is about the positive number. And now we have this one. We put number 2 in here. So you got about x is greater than 0. So it means this is about the minimum value of local extrema. So we just find the saddle point and the local extrema. That's the end. Thank you for watching.